Paradisus Grand Cana. It was called the Falcons Resort by Melia. This is a walkthrough of the 2-bedroom Beyond Master Corner Swim Up Suite. This is in Building 5, room 101 and 103 next door. They're connecting rooms. I've already pre-opened a couple of things so we can get a better view. So I don't have to waste time. When you walk into this suite, this is the first thing you see in the king bedroom master corner suite. They reload that fridge every day really well. Microwave. There's a snack drawer they refill every day. Espresso. It's okay. I recommend the room service. It's fantastic for coffee and snacks. To the left side there's the master washroom. Nice rain shower back there. The toilet room is back there. And then it goes into this room where they, don't mind the mess, we've been here 6 days already. But you put your clothes there. Let me get out of the shot. Another sink area in here. Soaker tub. There's a door here. There is a private jacuzzi on the side. We'll get to that in a minute. Just gonna do a quick room tour. There's not a lot of this room category on YouTube. King bed. TV in here. Living room. Another patio door to the outdoor space. That couch over there does pull out into a bed. Okay, then we'll go to the adjoining room 103, building 5, room 103. This would be their main entrance if you only booked this suite, like a 2-bed master swim out suite. Same thing here, microwave, fridge. This is the kids' room. They've been killing this snack drawer every day. My daughter's been sleeping in here because my son snores like a freight train. This is the bedroom with 2 beds. It also has space for the clothes. I like these handy spots for the bags. Super handy. And in here they have their own washroom too. This is the rain shower area room. Another room where the toilet is. Of course, their sink area. Bypass me. And then we'll head outside. This is the best part. It like doubles your room size. Even the kids' room have their own outdoor jacuzzi area. Sitting area. Jacuzzi. It leads out to the patio here. Cabana. If you're going to be in building 5 with this kind of room category, I recommend the first one, 5101 and 5103, because you get lots of sun. The other ones on the back do not. This one faces the back of the resort. It's not in the inner circle. I'll head back over to our room. This space is massive. You will not run out of room. I can't believe there's just 4 of us in both of these. This is our porch area, cabana. Come around to this side is where the private jacuzzi is for our room. Down this hall on the side is very private. There's a switch here for the light. Beautiful. Nice private area. Really nice. Head back out and show you the swim up area where we spend most of our time. And it brings you out to this space. Absolutely huge. We did bring some floaties. Makes the pool a little more fun by our room. There's a shower right here beside our room. Cold water only, but still it's nice to rinse off. We put our chairs over there too on the side. And here's the swim up area.